Good morning students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today we are going to study chapter 3, that is Introduction to HTML. We have already studied this chapter in Zoom class, but again we are repeating this chapter from the starting only. Okay, so let's start the chapter now. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Basically, we use HTML to create web pages. So HTML is a standard markup language used to create web pages. And as we all know, HTML elements are represented by tags. Without tags, we cannot write HTML codes. And where we write HTML codes? On Notepad. And what is the extension of HTML? .html. To saving the document on Notepad, we have to use .html extension so that it can be open on web browser. So there are two types of component in HTML structure. First is head and second is body. We'll start with the head. Head component of an HTML structure does not contain any data to be displayed in the web page itself. Means HTML code instructions are used to help you categorize the final web page. The head section normally contains the title and metadata for a web page. Then the body. The body component of an HTML structure contains all the content that needs to be displayed on the final web page. This includes text, image, audio and video file. Which means whatever we will write under the body tag, it will be showing directly on the web page. It can be any content, video, images. It will be showing directly on the web pages. As you can see on the screen, this is the basic structure of HTML, where in the body section written is web page content goes here. This content will be showing on the web page. Whatever we will write under the body, it will be showing on web page. HTML structure start with HTML tags and end with close tag with HTML. Every tag which is opening has to be closed by slash. That is called end tag. Extension of HTML file. Extension of HTML file is .html. As we all know, we write codes of HTML in Notepad only. While we are saving the Notepad, we have to use extension .html or extension .stm to save the file, so that this extension, by using this extension, we can open HTML page in any browser. We can use any browser to open our web page. So class, we will discuss the further part of this chapter in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.